Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've fired up the Yoder smoker in the backyard and we're going to smoke a very small pork butt as we continue our foray into barbecue and smoking. So I've got a fairly small pork butt here. This is about 4.5 pounds, so not overly large. And I just want to trim a tiny bit of the fat off the top, not too much, just a little bit. Now, for the most part, this was already trimmed up pretty nicely, and I've chosen a small pork butt for today's recipe because you can't really screw up pork butt. It's a very easy meat to smoke, and I've chosen a small one because I really don't want to spend all day babying it. And to that end, I'm not really going to baby it. We've eaten barbecue all over the United States. In fact, all over the world. Every culture has its own culture of barbecue. And so we've tried it everywhere, and some of the best that I've ever had were super simple. They didn't overthink the spicing and the rub. And to that end, I'm just going to put on salt and pepper. And when I put it onto the smoker, I probably won't put anything onto it either. I'm not going to use a mopping sauce. I'm not going to use any sort of barbecue sauce during the cook process. I'm just going to put this salt and pepper on, let the meat and the smoke speak for itself. I will be whipping up a couple of vinegar sauces, Carolina style vinegar sauce, one with mustard and one just with vinegar and pepper, to put on pulled pork sandwiches later. So check out that video if you haven't already. And I've got the Yoder smoker heating up outside to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and today I'm burning a mix of oak and hickory, just to kind of see where that gets us. Now, along the way, over the course of this summer, we're going to do some smoking recipes that are much more intricate than this. But I kind of think sometimes simplicity really is fantastic. You get to taste what's going on, and then you can decide later what you want to change. If you've stopped smoking or you've never smoked before and you're smoking with a particular wood, sometimes it's not going to come through if your spice rub is too heavy with other flavors. So we're going to get all sides on this and then straight out to the smoker. Okay, the smoker is up to temperature and it's pretty stable. So I'm going to put the pork butt on. And I'm going to insert a temperature probe into the middle. And I'm going to set an alert on my phone. And the smoker will let me know when we attain 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost there. We're stuck at 159 degrees Fahrenheit. Should I pull it out and wrap it up? Maybe. Okay, pull this out and wrap it up into the foil. I want to leave the temperature probe inside. So, just like that. And before I wrap it fully, I'm just going to pour in a little bit of our vinegar pepper sauce. There we go. Okay. And back into the smoker. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook now until it reaches an internal temperature of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I'm going to pull it out and put it into a cooler and let it sit in the cooler for probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay, the pork has been in the cooler for about 45 minutes, so it's time to unwrap it and let's see where we're at. Smells amazing. Absolutely smells amazing. Oh, look at that. Let's get it in this pan so we don't lose any of the juice. And there is the bone. Get rid of that. Still a little bit warm, so I'm just going to use a couple of forks to start pulling it apart. Super juicy. Look how juicy that is. Looks and smells amazing. Julie had better get here quick, or there might not be any left for supper. Oh, that's great. Really moist. Lots of flavor. Absolutely incredible. Look at that smoke ring. Hey, Jules.
Hey, Glenn. Hey, friends. Aha.
Pulled pork.
Smells fabulous.
It does smell fabulous, doesn't it? So, which sauce do you want? Mustard sauce or vinegar pepper sauce?
Ooh.
This one's a little bit spicier, and this one's a little more, strangely, this one tastes more like vinegar because of the mustard.
Okay, I think I'm going to go with the mustard for some reason. I don't know why.
Mustard for you. I'm going to go
Is it already?
pepper sauce.
It's always a mistake.
And just a little bit on top. Well, maybe a lot of it on top.
Oh, but I'm excited about having
Put some slaw
slaw
on there.
on top.
That sauce is really good. I'm digging that sauce.
This is going to be a total disaster of a mess.
Give me a little slaw too. Yep.
I like that you've already pulled it out of the liquid, so I can just easily
There you
drop
go.
it down.
Okay.
Oh, this is not going to be pretty. Don't watch.
Wonderful. I've already been snacking on the pork.
Oh, so you already know. That was pretty tasty.
Spicy, smoky, fatty.
All those little bits of joy.
Yep. Crispness from the slaw. Adding something just a little, you know, that difference in the texture.
And wonderfully messy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you.
So,
All right, so I'm in. How many can I have?
we can
See if we got a bit
We're gonna
here.
eat that whole pan. I'm completely in, and I could just put the pork with the slaw on top on a plate, smother it in sauce, and just eat it that way.
Yeah, no bun required.
I don't need the bun.
No.
So, both of these sauces I think are winners, and tailor them to your liking. Check out that video. That is a really good vinegar slaw. I went maybe a little.
Goes well on my.
Yeah. I was maybe a little heavy on the carrot. It's a little more orange than green, but that again is to your liking. And that was amazing. Just salt and pepper. I really let the pork and the smoke shine through, and just a little squirt of this vinegar sauce before I wrapped it in the tin foil. Yeah. So thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.